Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a store logo to your Shopify online store, as well as how to add it to your packing slip. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Shopify store as an administrator. So as you guys can see, here's what the store manager looks like, and this is the dashboard. And obviously for the purpose of this video, I have a dummy store set up. And the idea here is we first want to upload a logo that can tie to our store. And to do so, you want to click on settings, like so. And from here, you guys would want to select brand. So it can be found between customer events and notifications. So from here, we're going to click on brand, and then we're going to upload a PNG file, or actually any of these formats will do. So it can be SVG, JPEG, WebP. It doesn't really matter, so it is what it is. So we're going to upload a file first, and we're going to select one from our assets library that's tied to Shopify or directly from our PC. So we're going to choose this one, for example. Click on done. And from here, we'd want to go to the shipping tab. So the shipping tag is shipping tab, sorry, I should say, is the one right here between customer accounts and taxes and duties. So when you click on this, actually save this first, and let's go to shipping and delivery, and we're going to look for the option that says packing slips. So normally it'd be found at the very bottom if you keep scrolling. So it's this one right here. So we're going to click on edit template, like so, and we're going to show the code for our packing slip. So from here, you guys would want to look for the line of code that says shop name. So right away, you'll see that it's among the very first ones right here. And the idea is we're going to delete this. So when we delete it, we're going to replace it with this one right here. So this little code right here. So we're going to copy it. We're going to paste it here. And we're actually going to open a new tab for Shopify. Let's do that, because the idea is we're going to extract the URL code for our shop logo. So we're going to go back here. Actually, let's just open a new tab real quick. So here we are. Let's go to brand again. And get the URL for this one. And to do so, you want to right click on it and click on copy image address and go back to the packing slip template. And for this right here, this text that says paste file URL here, we're going to replace it with what we just copied. So here we are. We're going to hit save, and we're done. And that's it. Anytime anyone orders something from your store, there's a packing slip with your logo on it. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.